Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at Twitter, GoPro, X, and CHK on the daily and weekly time frame. So Twitter is healthy consolidation. This is a little bull flag pattern with a bullish doji. The bulls have to confirm this tomorrow with a green day and break the high of today of 2018 to try and see that follow through. But this is very healthy consolidation overall. A red flag would be a loss of exponential support tomorrow and a lack of a green day to confirm this bullish doji. And that red flag would just tell us that further consolidation is needed and the bulls are not ready to show back up yet. The weekly time frame is an inside bar consolidating within the range of the previous week. And if we stay within the range of the previous week, next week we will have our clear signal levels to be watching for a break. But at this point, daily chart favors the bulls. And if we see inability to follow through, 1941 is the next support to be watching. GoPro on the daily time frame, clear resistance. Upper wicks of profit taking has been the norm. Resistance pulling back just under the 50-day, and we closed just under the middle Bollinger Band as well. So as long as the 50-day and as long as the weekly middle Bollinger Band are resistance, the bears is the way to play this. If we turn those levels into support, we will take a step back and reassess the situation and potentially look bullish. But until that happens, bears are in full control. Upper wicks is the name of the game for the past 3 months and lots of profit taking. And I keep saying it, but if GoPro is seeing this kind of action with the market the strongest it has ever been, what's going to happen when the market begins to consolidate? Last time the market began to consolidate, this was the dump that occurred. And watching to see what happens next time, because the market is going to consolidate sometime in the near future. And that's not going to bode well for GoPro. X on the daily time frame, beautiful follow through to start today. Definitely saw a lot of profit taking, but it was our healthy bullish doji with our higher low forming, gap up, and a significant move. We got over 24.50. That was a bull signal for a day trade. And then we saw 59 cents to the upside, another 2%. So a really nice gain. But we did see profit taking and a rejection from the upper Bollinger Band, and that is a bearish candlestick. So I would anticipate filling this gap in the near future. 23.89 would fill the gap, and the weekly time frame, look at where we're rejecting from. Middle Bollinger Band 24.98, that was our target. After breaking 24.50, the next level of resistance, the weekly middle Bollinger Band was the level highlighted to look to, and that is what we are currently rejecting from. But with 3 trading days left to go in the week, it is still possible to get over that level of 24.98. So still watching that very close, on the verge of a bullish MACD cross on the weekly time frame here, and overall, bulls still healthy. Now we look to form another higher low compared to 23.18 support. CHK, bulls showing up. The range is very tight now. We have our low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and we're right in the middle of that range. So the range that I'm watching is 465 support and 502 resistance. A break of 502, we'll have to get over the 50-day moving average resistance as well. And if we break 465 support, we're looking down at 442. Weekly time frame shows the tightening ranges, still rejecting from exponential resistance. Have to see a break of the lower high pattern on the daily in order to get over these levels. And it's going to get interesting for CHK here for the rest of the week, especially with the inventory reports coming up. We've got the oil inventory report and the natural gas inventory report the next 2 days, and that is going to have a significant impact on which direction we break this tight equilibrium pattern on the daily time frame for CHK. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how it plays out. Have a great night.